Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm doing a pick a card reading for all my viewers. Okay, in this reading, I'm going to see what your partner feels about you, how do they see you, plus their next move towards you. Okay, so you can choose any pile from these piles. Okay, we have pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. Okay, so let's start the reading. Hello. Okay, so those who have choose this pile number 1, let's start the reading for you. First, I'm going to see some angel messages for you. Okay, then I'll see your partner's energies towards you plus their next move towards you. Okay, so let's see what angels are saying. Be assertive. Okay, within the next few weeks. Okay, and no, I feel that angels are trying to tell you that if you want this person to be in your life, you should be assertive, okay, towards them. And whatever you are thinking and whatever you are planning in your heart and mind, that thing will going to take shape in next few weeks. And I feel that angels are also asking you to not to give up. Okay, if some of you are feeling that you should give up on this relationship, so I feel that angels are saying no, don't do that. Okay, now we have 3 cards. Let's see what your partner feels about you, thinks about you, or what is going to be their next move. Oh my god. So we have 3 of Wands, 5 of Pentacles, and 2 of Cups. I feel that some of you could be dealing with Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius fire sign with this 3 of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this 5 of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign with this 2 of Cups. Okay, so yeah, your person has seen you from a distance. Okay, with this 3 of Wands, they have seen you that you are someone who is being treated very ill. Okay, someone has misbehaved with you, someone has cheated on you, someone has broken your heart, someone has left you in cold. They are seeing you from a distance, and I feel that they are planning to move towards you. They feel your pain. Basically, they know that you are going through some tough time in life, and they are seeing you from a distance. Maybe they are coming towards you. I mean, yeah, they are seeing you from this distance. Okay, it could be also happen for some of you that your person is that you guys are into long distance relationship. Okay, I feel that they wants to travel towards you to meet you. Okay, they really want to meet you, they really want to talk to you, they really want to have heart to heart conversation with you. And I feel that they are definitely going to take some solid action towards you with this 2 of Cups. They really want to offer you their heart, their emotions, their love and concern. Okay, so yes, there is mutual love between you two, there is mutual agreement between you two, there is mutual understanding and mutual commitment is going to take place in this relationship. Okay, so yeah, they are coming towards you. Okay, don't be sad. Let me just take 1 or 2 universe love notes for you. Let's see what universe wants to tell you. I'll just keep it like that so that you can see the cards. Let me just put it like this way. So what universe is telling you? Most people are just trying to survive. Maybe your person is just trying to survive without you. They want you, and you are destined for greatness on the wings of love. Okay, let me quickly take some secret love notes from your person. I'm going to take only 4 love notes from them. Let's see what they wants to tell you. We have 2, and okay, So we have got 5 secret love notes for you. Pile number 1, I'm yours. Okay. You have my heart, keep it safe. I'm always by your side. You are my best friend. Okay. I think it's your best friend who are in love with you. I love you more with each passing day. Okay. So that was the reading for pile number 1. Okay. Pile number 1 viewers, if any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you very much. Hello pile number 2 viewers. Okay, so I'm going to start the reading for those who have chosen this pile number 2. Okay, so first I'm going to see some angel messages for you. Let's see what angel wants to tell you. Okay, so it's a yes for you. Wait. Okay, and forgiveness, death, lovers, and the magician. Okay, so for some of you, angels are saying yes. Okay, I don't know in which context this yes is. Okay, if you are trying to to communicate with your person, so it could be a yes for that. If you're trying to if you want to propose to your person, so it could be yes in that term too. Okay, it could be in any term. Okay, so please take what wherever this yes fits in your life. Okay, wait. For some of you, angels are asking you to wait. If you are trying to, or if you are planning to move on from this relationship, you are planning to give up in this relationship, I feel that angels are asking you to wait. Okay, and forgiveness, to gain some peace in your life, you to gain some clarity in your life, you should always forgive others. Okay, and ask for forgiveness from other people. Okay, now let's see what your person is thinking and feeling about you, and how and what is going to be their next move for you. So I feel that some of you could be dealing with Scorpio with this death card. Some of you could be dealing with Gemini with this lovers. Okay, so your person is thinking about you, or your person is feeling about you, that something has ended at your end, something has finished at your end. Okay, maybe it is your bad past relationship which has just ended. Okay, now you are taking a new, or you are about to start a new chapter in your life with this death card. Okay, so they are seeing some new beginning in your life. Okay, they are seeing you are going to be happy. Okay, plus with this magician card, they also feel about you that you are somebody who has all the charm, you have all the skills, all the techniques, or you have that personality, or that charming personality, which can which can create magic in life. Okay, they believe in you with this magician card. They know once if you are going to be in this relationship with them, then you are going to give them 1000%. Okay, and the lovers, mutual love, mutual affection, it's a divine connection, and I feel that they are definitely going to start something new with you in future, in coming time, that they are definitely going to give you something. Okay, it is a divine connection. I can't say beyond that. Okay, now let's see what universe is telling you. Let's take some universe love notes for you. Okay, oh, I'm sorry. What universe wants to say. Love notes from universe. So the first message for you is, it's not as if you need anyone, and time to make a demonstration. Okay. For as long as you wish to keep them in your life, whoever they may be, understanding them as opposed to changing them will wildly improve the chances that they'll wish to keep you in their life. On the other hand, you are pretty much stuck with me. And the second love note for you is from universe: the older the soul, the softer the glance, the quicker the smile, and the sooner to say I love you. They also skip and wink more than normal and hold hands with those they walk beside. Now let's take what your person wants to tell you secretly, their secret love notes for you. 4 secret love notes for my viewers. Okay, I have, oh god, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, let's take 6. Let's see what your person wants to tell you secretly. All you need is love. Okay. The long the wait, the sweeter the kiss. Wow. The secret love note for you is, your love is all I'll ever need. Okay. Please hold me with your love. No regrets, just love. And the last message for you is, I love you more with each passing day. Okay. So that was the reading for those who have chosen pile number 2. Okay. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye. Hello pile number 3. Those who have chosen pile number 3, let's start the reading for you. First I'm going to take angel notes or angel messages for you. Let's see what angel wants to tell you. In the near future, trust and don't stop. So angels are saying to you that if you are waiting for something, okay, that thing is definitely going to happen for you in the near future. You need to trust in God and don't stop whatever action you are taking to gain or to get your or to achieve your goal. Then don't stop. Okay. Now let's see what your partner feels about you and what action they are going to take towards you. Okay. Wow, Knight of Swords, 8 of Wands and 7 of Cups. So I feel that some of you could be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign with this Knight of Swords. Okay, some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 8 of Wands, and some of you could be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this 7 of Cups. Okay, so your partner is seeing you, or they see you as someone, they see you as a treasure. Okay, they see you as someone, they feel that you are like jackpot for them. Okay, they consider you as a lottery, as a lucky charm. Okay, because they see you emotions within you, they see home within you. They want to make a home with you, they want to build a home with you, they want to settle down with you in life, they want to experience all the good and bad phases of life with you. Okay, that's how they are seeing you. Okay, and with this 8 of Wands and Knight of Swords, I feel that it's them who is coming towards you. They are not stopping. Okay, and some communication is also coming from their end. Maybe they are going to propose you. Some proposal is coming from their side to you. Some communication is definitely going to take place in this relationship. Okay, they are really desperate to meet you, they are really desperate to talk to you, they are really desperate to offer you something in this relationship. Maybe it is a it's a marriage proposal for you. For some of you, they are eagerly waiting to give you something. Okay, and I feel that they are coming or rushing towards you to get married to you. So some communication is taking place for you in future with them. Okay, they are definitely willing to take certain action towards you. Pile number 3. Now let's take some Universe love notes for you. Let's see what universe wants to tell you. What is the secret love note for you from universe? Okay. Forgive. Universe is saying forgive. Okay. Of course, anger can always be justified, but then so can forgiveness. Just depends on how much more you want from the adventure. Okay, this is the first love note from universe for you. The second love note for you from universe says there isn't a soul on the planet who doesn't crave for approval. Sorry, crave your approval. I'm really sorry about that. Okay, the only difference between a friend and a foe is that you have decided where love can grow. Okay, I'm also going to take some secret love notes for you from your partner's side. Let's see what they wants to tell you. Secret love notes for you from your partner's side. Okay, I'm still fall for you every day. Wow. The secret love note for you is I'll wait for you because I don't want anyone else. That's why they are rushing towards you. Third message from your partner's side for you is no regrets, just love. You are the one for me. We will get through this. You are special to me. I trust you. Okay. So this was the reading for pile number 3. Pile number 3 viewers, if any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.